I've learned one thing that I should not have learned through my dealings today with North Carolina State University, YouTube, Google, and Penn State University. I've learned to become disillusioned with this thing that people call the rule of law, how glorious the rule of law is. It's not. Stereotypically, people will say, I hate bureaucracy. I don't like it. The thing is, though, it's not that you don't like the paperwork of bureaucracy or that people have boring jobs. The fact is, you don't like bureaucracy because people follow the rules. People don't look at your individual situation. They turn off their thinking caps and they follow the rules. They follow the law. There is no thinking involved. They assume that somebody higher than them, higher in authority, higher in intelligence, higher in accessibility of knowledge, has created a law or a rule that makes sense and is right in all cases. The problem with this idea of governance is, though, today we look at Congress and 7% of people in America think Congress is doing a good job at writing laws. If only 7% of people in America think Congress is doing a good job at writing laws, why are you following their laws?
State is parliamentary inquiry.
Speaker, in order to try to figure out what we're doing, how much damage the country, I tried to get a copy of the bill. We have out here on the table 2454 that has 1,090 pages in it, but I've understood since debate in here that there's another 300 pages that were added in the middle of the night. My inquiry is, how do I get a copy of the other 300 pages that people on here or here on the floor hadn't had a chance to read or see? Where do we get that before we cram this down on the American people?
Is there somewhere physically in the House of Representatives a copy of what we're voting on?
The gentleman has not stated a parliamentary inquiry that the chair can answer.